the likenesses. You know, the tech is great. The X-ray is kind of fun, but the general, I think, it really is the most valuable. It gives you the most real estate for the bang for the buck kind of a thing. All right, Jonathan, thank you very much for the chat. W6BID K1MIX. I'll be clear.
K1MIX and 6PET.
General, and flying around with HF, and he was having a good time with it. It was an interesting little conversation we had. I enjoyed it. There's the real rough copy here, so I think we better call it. And right now I'm showing right at 200 watts. So, you know, I think it's a success. So I'm delighted that this thing is working. Don't want to push it too hard. You know, 200 watt combination is enough for most things. In 6PET K1MIX. I will be